Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Edu Information, Knowledge is Life. In previous videos we have seen some of the basic shapes implementation. Like the same, we are going to implement arc in this video. So let us see what is mean by arc. So arc is a line or shape that is curved like part of that circle. So consider this is the center of that arc which is having radius r, and this will be an arc. When you will complete this in this way, so it will create a circle. So after that, consider this can be a circle which is having angles in which x-axis is defined and y-axis is defined. Okay, so after that it will create first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So in this circle we have to draw one arc. So how we will draw arc? So consider this center is also a center of arc. Now we want to display an arc in this way. So suppose this will be the radius of that arc, and now so first line or radius will create angle of 100 with this x-axis, and after that it will generate 170 of angle with this axis. So it will generate in this way arc on our screen. After that, what is the arc function? So arc is having 5 parameters: x, y, start angle, end angle and radius. So x, y are the coordinates of circle, start angle and end angle are arc visibility angles, and radius is in pixel form. Now let us see how we are going to implement that arc using C structure. So first of all we need to include header files which is graphics.8. Then main method which is having data type integer, opening curly bracket, GD and GM variable declaration. Now what are the parameters of arc that here are declared or values are defined separately. So if you want to skip this part, you can write down those values in this arc function only. Okay, so right now center of that arc will be 250. Starting angle is 100, ending angle is 170, radius is 100. After that init graph method is called with 3 parameters: address of GD, address of GM and opening and closing double quote. Then get ch, close graph function and return 0. Now let us see how we are going to implement this code with code blocks. Already I have written this code. So now let us build and run. Okay, so in this way that arc will get generated. Consider this will be the center of that arc. Okay, now it will create the first angle with x-axis 100, and after that it will create a second angle of 170. Okay, so in this way we are going to generate arc. Thank you so much.